Good day, everyone. Please rise for our opening prayer. Okay, good day. So, first we will have our checking of attendance. Who is absent for today? Oh, none. Okay. So, how are you, students? Oh, okay. So, before we start our discussion, we have here our classroom rules we need to follow. So, we have the respect others and their property, follow directions, and lastly, raise your right hand. Okay? So, I have here motivational questions before we start our discussion. So first, what are the main responsibilities of teacher in Asian countries? Yes, miss? Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you for your opinion. And next, how do cultural values affect teaching practices? Yes. Uh-huh. Okay, thank you very much. And lastly, we have how do teachers handle diversity? Yes. Thank you for your wonderful opinion. Okay, let's now dive into our discussion. So, I have here the teaching profession practices in the Asian. So, teachers' major responsibilities, professional teachers in Asian countries have three main responsibilities. So first, actual teaching directs engagement and student learners. And number two, management of learning, activities that support teaching like remediation, enrichment, homework, and co-curricular activities. Number three, administrative work, teachers' tasks like checking test items, recording results, attending to parents, making reports, and other related activities. Teachers are generally required to work 6 to 8 hours per day, 40 to 45 hours per day, 4 weeks per month, and 10 months per year. Okay, number two, teachers licensing and recruitment. Most teachers are licensed professionals or are certified by the appropriate agencies in their country. The salary of the teachers in Asian varies greatly, ranging from as low as $120.30 to $2,588 per month or higher. Like Singapore, for 45,755 per year salary is based on qualifications, experience, and teaching level. In the primary levels, the teachers often handle more than one specialized subject or even subjects sometimes taught by a single teacher in a self-contained classroom. In the secondary level, the teachers teaches a specific subject area or a major or minor in the same level. Okay, we have here the teachers and the teaching profession beyond the Asian. This section benchmark the teaching profession by looking at the best practices from other countries, specifically China and Japan. So first, we have the China. So education system structure. Students attend 6 years of primary education, followed by 3 years of junior middle school and 3 years for senior middle school, and then various forms of university. Centralization of syllables. Syllabus. The system is highly centralized. Syllabi are written by scientists and professors, and the subjects matter in uniform across the country. Class size. Class size are large, ranging from 40 to 60 students. Orientation. The education goals is to cultivate cultured person with softly ideals, high morality, strong discipline, engineers of sense of mission of educators, engineers of the human soul, and gardeners of the nation's flower. Categories of teachers in Bongban. State paid. Earn a salary of comparable to other state employees. Minban. Community paid. Paid by the local community. Teachers rank state paid. Teachers are categorized in 5 grades based on year of service and performance. Super grade, senior grade, third grade, second grade, and first grade. So we have here Japan. System and administration. The system is highly centralized, administered by the Mombusho or Ministry of Education. School service. So, in Japan, education from kindergarten through university serves about 24 million students. Structured and requirements. Education from 6 to 15 is free and compulsory. Classes are large and teaching methods are typically lectures. Students spend 243 days a year in school with a year-round calendar broken by sessions. Curriculum. Standard curriculum includes Japanese language, social studies, math, science, art, music, home economics, and physical education, with the greatest emphasis on learning the Japanese language. So division, wait, you have here the division. Division, the system is divided into 5 basis levels, like kindergarten, elementary school 6 years, lower secondary school 3 years, upper secondary school 3 years, and university. Teachers, elementary school covers 6 years of schooling. 2/3 of the teachers are females. The average class size is 38 and period are 50 minutes long. This summary covers the main point of key differences of teacher responsibilities, licensing, and education system in the ASEAN, China, and Japan, based on the text provided. So, any clarification or question, perhaps? Yes, okay, none? Okay, we have here the generalization. So, I have a question. If you don't have a question, then I will question you. Okay. What are the common challenges faced by the teacher across the Asian countries, China and Japan? Yes. Thank you. So, second, how do cultural values and norms generally influence teaching practices in these countries? Yes? Okay, thank you, ma'am. Lastly, we have here, how do teachers in these countries generally handle classroom diversity and inclusivity? Yes, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, we have here our activity. So we have here our application. The class will be divided into 4 groups, and each group will create a role play portraying a different Asian teaching practices of Asian countries. So we have our criteria. So first, teamwork, 5 points, presentation, 5 points, content, 10 points, total of 20 points. Okay. I will give you 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, since you finalize your activity, so let's move into our evaluation. Ako basahag? Okay. So since we are done with our activity, let's move on to our evaluation. So we have here our direction. Just listen. The students will prepare a 1/4 sheet of paper and answer 10 items multiple choice quiz. Please prepare 1/4 sheet. Okay. Let's start. Okay. I will only read the question and answer once, so please listen carefully. Number 1, which of the following is not one of the 3 major responsibilities of professional teacher across the different countries mentioned? A, actual teaching. B, management of learning. C, curriculum design. D, administrative work. Okay. Let's move on to number 2. The actual teaching hours requirements per week mentioned for professional teachers are typically A, 40 to 45 hours, B, 30 to 35 hours, C, 50 to 55 hours, D, 20 to 25 hours. Okay, let's move to number 3. In some ASEAN countries, what is a characteristic of a teacher at the primary levels? Okay. A, teachers must specialize in one subject. B, all subjects are taught by one teacher in self-contained classroom. C, teachers only handle grade 1 to grade 6. D, vertical team teaching is strictly prohibited. Okay, number 4. According to the text, the annual salary of the teacher in Singapore is around A, $120, B, $2,589, C, $45,755, D, it is not mentioned. Number 5. In China, the responsibility for examinations of elementary teachers rests with the A, central government. B, Ministry of Education. C, responsibility of each province. D, principal of the school. Okay, number 6. The Gongban in China refers to A, community paid teachers or Mingban. B, teachers with a diploma only. C, state paid teachers. D, newly hired primary teachers. Okay, number 7. In the Japanese education system, about what percentage of students go to the public school system? A, 10%. B, about 1/3. C, the rest, around 60%. D, 90%. Okay, let's move to number 8. Which of the following is an example of strong authority of the teachers in China as suggested by the text? A, knowledge can be challenged by students. B, the job of the teachers is to absorb the knowledge conveyed by the teacher without questions. C. Questioning is highly encouraged during 45 minutes class period. D. The teacher-student's relationship is regarded as equal. Okay, let's move to number 9. In Japan, the standard curriculum includes a strong emphasis of learning the blank. A. History and culture. B. Mathematics and science. C. Social studies. D. Japanese language. We have lastly number 10. How long is the elementary school level in the Japanese educational system? A. 3 years. B. 4 years. C. 6 years. D. 12 years. Okay, let's pass your paper. Okay. So, I have here the answer if you were wondering what is the answer, but I will check this paper. Okay. The answer number 1 is C. Number 2 is A. Number 3 is B. Number 4 is C. Number 5 is C. Number 6 is C. 7 is C. 8 is B. 9 is D. And 10 is C. So, please answer this assignment. In a 1/2 sheet of paper, write an essay reflecting the importance of the teacher in our society. And that's all. Thank you and goodbye.